So here we go, we have a Renault Traffic long wheelbase standard roof. In this video we're going to see the sizes of all the areas that's needed for van racking. We will be looking to maximise every single inch on this van. Watch this. The perfect install height is 1300mm for this style of van, with a roof height of 1360mm. Then once ply line between the arches is 1240mm, with a wheel box depth of 200mm and a height of 325. Then from the bulkhead to the rear ply is 2m900. Now looking at the most protruding part on the bulkhead to the rear ply, this is 2m655. We'll move on to the final install measurement shortly. Here's the left hand side. If more room is needed, you can take up a little bit of the side door. Here's the most protruding part on the bulkhead. Under the seat compartment on this van we have a massive install length for pipes etc. of 4m160. Let's check out the right hand side now for the install length. Let's see what we can fit in this van. With a custom solutions install, we always aim to fit the absolute maximum from one point to the other. On this situation, we measure from 2 points, we check it down on the floor, and we then measure what our length is, leaving us with 2m515 on this long wheelbase van. As shown with this install, from here to here. Left hand side we had 520mm before the wheel arch. Then with the wheel arch we have 850mm, showing a cable unit and taking up the maximum space. This gives us around 1400mm before interfering with the side door at all. In this video series we're going to be looking at different variants of some following vans, including the Transit Custom, Vauxhall Vario, Volkswagen Caddy, Transporter, Iveco, just to name a few.